One of the main considerations when installing a pool or spa is ensuring that all circuitry is GFCI ground fault circuit interrupter protected. This is going to mitigate any shock hazards that may be present. I think we all know that water and electricity don't mix, so we definitely want to take that safety standard into consideration. We also want to make sure all the enclosures that we use that house our electrical equipment are NEMA 3R rated or outdoor rated equipment. When installing a spa or hot tub, their disconnect for that needs to be located no more than 5 feet away from the hot tub or spa and no greater than 50 feet away, and the means of disconnect needs to be within sight for safety purposes. In case there were an emergency, it would be obvious where to disconnect the power source. When installing a pool, you want to make sure that you have a continuous bond. That bond is created typically with a minimum of size number 8 copper wire. It connects to the rebar in the pool deck, any pool ladders, rails, diving boards, and it also connects to all pool equipment, pumps, heaters, chlorinators. The importance of the pool bond is it creates equal potential between all parts of the pool equipment. Bonding is a process where all the metallic and electrical components of a pool are joined together with a wire to create a non-resistive path between all of the pool components. The goal of bonding pool equipment is to prevent the transmission of any hazardous electrical currents to people or pets.